message for them?
Well, first of all, congratulations from all of us. We're really proud of you. Actually, ever since we found out that you were doing this movie.
Blood Ransom is written and directed by Francis De La Torre. And it will open on October 29 in theaters nationwide. Produced by Tectonic Films and released
So
through
pretty much
Viva
what we
Films.
want to say is, and congratulations.
Congratulations, we're really proud of you. And keep doing what you're doing. I think that you'll go even farther than this.
Keep being a vampire.
This is just the start.
Keep sucking on necks. Congratulations, and to everyone part of the film. Congrats and more power and more success.
How do you guys feel to see international actors to be in
How are you, Ryan?
Oh, it's definitely
I like yours today.
another good way
Spent half an hour crying.
You like my hair? And,
Oh, yes, very nice.
what more can you say? I mean, they got Ann Curtis, the Ann Curtis.
Everybody was sopping their heart
I think
out today.
International is lucky to have someone like Ann Curtis.
Yes, and I'm sure it's not just us. It's not just us who are proud of her. I'm sure everyone,
Really
all of her
emotional.
fans, which is like millions and millions of people, I'm sure everybody is proud of her. And even people who aren't really solid fans of her, I'm sure are very proud of her because she's really doing something also for the Philippines. Pinoy pride.
More power.
More than 5.2 transformation.
So after you watch an international film like this, please watch more than 5.2 The Transformation. It's nothing like this.
Thank you so much.
Nothing like this.